Street demonstrations, tear gas and riot police in Italy's main city of Naples. It's not about pensions or budget cuts like in the UK and France, but in the heart of Western Europe, this is a crisis about garbage in the streets. The city of Naples is choking with piles of garbage. In a town near Naples, protesters clashed with police, injuring 5 of them, while trying to stop plans to open a huge garbage dump on the edge of their town. Residents hurled stones and fireworks at the police, who responded with tear gas and baton charges. Residents here are accusing the authorities of hazardous negligence that could put their health at risk.
The bad smell bothers us, but it is the lesser evil. The most important thing is that we're dying here. There is leukemia and lymphoma. They are the most terrible diseases around.
The protests have been taking place for days, amounting to a crisis of national importance. Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi held an emergency cabinet meeting over the issue and promised to tackle it. But as over 2,000 pounds of garbage continue to pile up in the streets without much being done, the issue has even become a matter of concern on a European level. The European Commission said Saturday Italy hasn't taken sufficient measures to deal with the crisis, and it has warned Italy it may face sanctions if it doesn't clean up the mess. Mohammed Val, Al Jazeera.